Oh, what's up guys and welcome back. You're already inside the house. So yeah, happy new year to you and to myself. So yeah, let's get started and check this place out. I just found it. Big abandoned farmhouse with the farm equipment everywhere and trucks. So yeah, let's get stick to it instead of wasting the time here. Oh, it's very cold here in Denmark. It's frozen time. And the birds are still singing here. So yeah, let's go check this place out and have some fun. I can hang my jacket here, but it's not summer. So yeah, let's get started. There's also the attic upstairs we're gonna check out later. But yeah, it's a huge place actually, with barns and trucks everywhere around here, and a lot of farm equipment. So yeah, let's stick to it. This old abandoned house, rotting away slowly, but it's a nice house. It's high to the attic, as you can see. So yeah, it has been rich people that's been living in here. Nice couch over there, and thing here to heat up the house. Lots of newspapers here, old newspapers, as you can see. Also here, a stove here to heat up. They didn't have radiator, but in a newer house today we have heat in the floors, so we don't use radiator and stuff like that. Or the air condition, maybe also we use on there. No clothes here, but nice jacket hanging there. Yeah, long fragged. Also vacuum cleaner still here. Haven't been sucking stuff up in years, but maybe still runs. Also one there, but nice, you know, gold. Looks kind of gold, it's just wood and green color here. And here we are far away from everything. Outside a little land. That's an old beer. Tuborg. That's very old. 2003. Drink before 2003. So yeah, it's pretty old. Let's continue. Also one jacket hanging there. So quiet in here. Oh, also thing to heat up the house here. Yeah. Nice design on the walls also. It has been a nice place back in the days. It was looking very good. Also with the chairs, you know. And the lamp was hanging there. And with the sign there with boats. Oh, the lamp is laying there. Oh, is the Titanic here? No. It's just on a boat. Nice picture of it. Nice furniture there. Oh, also one in here. And yeah, there's holes on the floor there. Oh. Kitchen here with a big stove, very heavy, I think. Pure metal. Oh, look at this fridge here. What's in there? Nothing. Still a little bit of stuff. I don't know. not so good to eat anymore, I think. Still a lot of stuff in the house actually. Nice toilet here. Where's the toilet? I'm looking. Oh, it's behind here. So you can sit here and take a poop while looking outside. Very good. Nice bathroom also. But in here it's blue. Blue colors. They had so many different colors back in the days. I really like it. A little storing room here. Yeah. Oh, still some liquor up here. We can have a party in the house. Yeah. Looks good. There was actually also a room here. The door here. I think it's to downstairs. Yeah, it's to downstairs. It's just a little storing room. I'm not going down there because I won't go to hell today. It's water down there and maybe someone come and lock this door and yeah. Oh. So yeah, let's continue. Look at this old stove, so low. What did they bake in here and make on the pots and pans? Nice furniture here. Oh, so claustrophobic here. Oh, little bed here. And a picture. Maybe that's the house? I don't know. No, I don't think so. There's of old bottles there and letters. 1976. Old, very old. Oh, the front door here, blocked. Oh, a meat maker there. Yeah. They was making their own meat. Maybe they had their own cows, animals, everything, you know. Oh, it's cold today. I like it. So it's not that hot and no insects, spiders everywhere. I can just walk easily around. Let's go upstairs in the attic here. Let's have a look. And yeah, watch where you're going. Always. Oh, lots of stuff up here also. Oh, also fragate hanging jacket. I mean. Horse things there. Furnitures. Oh. A lot of glass bottles everywhere. Maybe they was making their own honey or something like that, you know. I guess they was. Oh, lots of newspapers also. They was using for keeping the heat inside, maybe. Oh. Jackets hanging up here also. And they was drying the clothes over there. Yeah, there's also standing Danish honey there. Oh, I'm very clever. Yeah. And there's also bottles there. Very old bottles. Wine. Yeah. Newspaper there, 1966. Maybe I should also save all my newspapers. And they was making something there with this, you know, also to keep the heat. It was a hard time back in the days. I want to live in that life, you know, to see how it was. Nowadays we just have a easy life, you know. Oh, Christmas decorations. Yeah, you can find everything here. Old meat maker there also. Oh, small house, but look big from outside. Oh, lots of things hanging there. Yeah, as you can see, the door has been kicked in. Somebody have been here to kick the doors in. So yeah, let's now let's go over there first and look. Oh, what's it this? Oh, what is this? Is that a toilet or what? I think there was an old toilet here. God damn, old toilet. Very cold to take a shit outside. Maybe for the workers, because there's beds there also. It's a part of the barn. Yeah, it is beds. Very cold in here. But drink a little bit of whiskey and then you get the heat, you know. Yeah, that was probably for the workers. It is a big barn, you know. As you can see, also the house. Used to be a big car in there. Oh, old engine here. Very rusty, needing a helping hand. A lot of tools there. Lawnmower. And even other engines here also. Truck engines, very big. What's up, engine? Where you came from? Let me see, there's actually two here. Oh. I can see this engine here is a Mercedes-Benz. Yeah. And then the barn is just empty, I think. Yeah. Very nice. Oh, there was actually also a car out here. I'm gonna show you. Probably have been seen better days. Oh, it's a Ford, I don't know. Old car. This has been seen better days, all these things here. Forklift, tractor, truck over there. I think I've never been seen abandoned trucks. Big trucks. So much stuff just going to waste, you know. Tractor there. Yeah. But maybe some of the owners of this place using it, you know. Maybe I think this building in there, because it's locked, maybe there is some exciting stuff in there. I don't know. Maybe. Also this forklift. Now let's go look at the truck here. Big truck. Oh, nice. Then we put here. Oh, there's also bed in the nice truck. I like it. I can live in this. Just drive around, find abandoned places. Yeah. That was the place, guys. Probably didn't look at everything, but we did what we had to do, sharing the love for the place, you know. In there's a gold mine, but it's locked. I think somebody's using it. So yeah, that was the place. I hope you enjoyed. Now I'll get back on the road, get some heat in the car. So yeah, have a great day and drink water and stay safe. So yeah, see you.